Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing an empties video slash favorites because a lot of these are my favorites and there are things that I've used up and things I will tell you whether or not I would purchase, whether or not I would not. Yeah, got that perfect.
It's fantastic.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. Also luxury on a second channel, which will be linked down below for you. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. Continuing to stay subscribed and watching my videos. So let's dive right into these because I have a lot this time. I will start off easy with some brushes. I have this brush, which unfortunately I do not remember which brush set it came from. It's just a blush brush. It hasn't started falling apart, however, it has started to spread in the center, which I do not like. Actually, it looks like it might have formed back. It did have a gap in the middle, but I think it just needed to lie flat. Let me see something, because I might, oh yeah, I see it spreading apart again, which isn't good for application of anything because it will make gaps, which it did start to do when I did contouring or bronzer. I would apply it and I would have a gap in my contour because of how the brush is forming. This is a really great brush. I've had it for almost a decade. To say it was so cheap. I believe it came from one of those sites like Rose Gal, Runway, somewhere like that. One of those brush sets. So those brush sets, some of them, or a lot of them, some of them, half of them, actually work really well. I would definitely buy the set again because the set is really nice. I still have some brushes other than this one that I'm still using. So great. Wasn't a purchase. They gifted me those. A lot of these products were gifted to me, by the way, just for full transparency. I will personally let you know which ones I did buy myself, including this brush here, which I did purchase during my tenure at MAC, I believe, or I might have bought it before I started working there. This is the MAC 222. Also another brush. I actually used it today and decided it was time to finally let go. It started spreading out where the brush hair started coming out. I trimmed it before I washed it, just to get the shape back. And then after I washed it, it started to spread out again. So I was like, okay, it's time to get rid of it. Not sure if they still make this, but it's a great brush. It's really tapered and pointy, so perfect for crease, perfect for outer edges, inner edges, for blending all around. It's just a really nice brush. Definitely would purchase again. Other makeup products I have this time. I have the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. This is a brown eye pencil, or brow pencil. And it's perfect for my hair. I also love the fact that it's double-ended. It has a spoolie on the other end. This also has a cover. I just lost it at some point. It has a cover just like this side, but really great pencil. Very comparable to pencils like the MAC Spiked Brow Pencil. Very similar. Also extremely cheap. Definitely will purchase this again. This was gifted as well. Other makeup products. I have this eyeliner from Bare Minerals. I actually attempted to use this today. This is their round-the-clock waterproof eyeliner in 11 AM. It's an olive green. I used to love this formula when I first purchased these. That's why I have so many colors. Yeah, I did purchase these with my discount during my tenure at Bare Minerals. It is still it still works. However, when I try to use it, it starts to ball up. So the formula is so soft that it takes so much effort to get product. And when you get the product, it balls off and it ends up falling off. And this part ends up scratching your eye. So I finally figured it was not worth me trying to continue to do that. So I'm deciding to trash it. Over time, the formula does mess up, just like the reviews stated. When I first started using them, I loved them. They were one of my favorite formulas because they were so creamy. Probably would not buy this again because it did not last for as long as it's supposed to last. Like, I still have a lot of product on here, but I cannot use it anymore. So it's kind of a waste. So no. Another sort of makeup product is more skincare. This is a Skinfix Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm. This flavor is in, I guess, Natural Minty Mint. It comes in a package like this. This works really well. I use these faithfully to apply before bedtime to wake up with soft, exfoliated, smooth lips, and it works really well. They have 40% coconut oil in it, and yeah, no synthetic flavor, color, gluten, parabens, anything like that. Natural mint flavor. Very hydrating, very soft, and not overly greasy. This was gifted. I'm just gonna tell you what I bought because most of these things are gifted. I would definitely get this again. And I have these in several flavors, so this is just one of my favorites. Let's do hair. I have the Bella Curls Coconut Milk Nourishing Conditioner this time. Y'all know I had the shampoo one time before. Also a great product. Really great. Available at Dollar General. Great for natural hair. Safe for color treated hair. It has coconut oil. For curly, coily, or wavy hair. It is great at detangling. It has a great texture. It smells amazing. I would definitely get this again. It lasted me a long time. It lasted. Usually conditioner lasts longer than shampoo for me anyway. But it lasted a great amount of time. Let's move on to body stuff. I have the Skinfix Soothing Body Cream. It's great for eczema and is 98% natural, fragrance-free, clinically proven to relieve itching and irritation caused by eczema and dry skin. Extremely great body cream. I love it so much. However, I do mix it with an oil because it's so thick to where it takes a little bit of working into the skin to get it to dissipate and blend out. But it works really great with an oil. It breaks it down. I do mix it with coconut oil and keep it, natural. But it really helps in breaking it down and also producing that sheen and shine to your skin, which I do prefer. I do love when my skin has a sheen or a shine rather than just being moisturized. Mixed with another product, I would definitely get this again. Next body product is this Soap & Glory Shower Ranger Cooling Body Wash. Comes in a container like this and it's really beat up and used up because I beat it up and used Oh my god. I can't believe I just said that. This is in the original pink fruity and floral scent. Y'all know how I feel about fruity and floral scents. I did have another product similar to this in my EMPTIES video. This is a little too overpowering for me. I was gifted this. I would not buy this again because I don't like scents like this. And I think it's a bit too fragrancy for me. That works for a lot of people, but it does not work for me. I would not buy this again. Soap & Glory does have a lot of great products, but I don't like this one because it's too strong for me. I don't like things like that. Deodorant. Clio and Cocoa Charcoal Deodorant. Oh my gosh, guys. Natural and aluminum free. When I tell you, this is one of my most favorite natural deodorants I've ever used in life. It really is. I only stopped using this because, it stopped going up. Sorry if it looks gross. I don't know what that blue stuff is on there, but I probably should have scooped some out. This stuff works great. If you struggle with having to apply natural deodorant all day long, it doesn't last. I can almost promise you because this didn't give me any issues with that. And I'm one of those people with certain deodorants I have to keep applying. With this, it lasted all day long, morning to night. I did not have to reapply it. I would most definitely buy this again, and I'm adding it to my list of deodorants to buy whenever I happen to run out of the ones that I have because it is amazing. It smells great. It's not overpowering. It doesn't leave a film. It doesn't have a charcoal color, although it is made with charcoal. It's all around amazing. I love this deodorant. And that's the Clio and Cocoa, or Clio plus Cocoa charcoal deodorant. I'm not sure where it is available at, but you can Google it. I'm sure retailers will pull up. Body. This is the Oahi Hair Care Rose Hair and Body Oil. I actually still have some in there, but I had a struggle to get this out. I got this from Sephora. I've never experimented using it on my hair, so it may work better on my hair. On my body, however, it looks great when I first put it on. It leaves my skin with a nice sheen and shine. However, it does not last. It's not a product that, I would use and trust to make my skin stay shiny. When I use straight up coconut oil, I have a sheen. I continue to have a sheen. With this, it goes away. That might be great for some people because some people may not like their skin to be shiny and sheeny. It's just not a product that works for my body. I actually bought this. I would not buy it again. But like I said, it might work better in the hair. I have never used it in the hair, so I cannot attest to that because it is a hair and body oil. I have one more makeup product I missed. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. Y'all do know this is one of my favorite eyeliners. And I was so sad when it dried up and it didn't work anymore. I think this was gifted to me or I bought it. I forgot. I would absolutely buy this 10 times, 20 times. I actually tried to buy it, but I realized I had a ton of eyeliners that I need to get through first before repurchasing. Absolutely, I would buy this over again. It works well. It lasted a long time. It's super cheap. It's great for beginners too because it has that nice felt tip that's really pointy. It's great. I love it. Skincare. This is the Hello Body Cocoa Calm Soothing Face Toner. Comes in a container like this. Really great toner. I don't believe it has alcohol in it. I don't think. Let me double check. It does not. It has other things. Coconut, aqua water, glycerin, things like that. Doesn't leave your skin feeling super dry afterwards, which I really like. It also smells really great. The coconut scent smells so great after washing your face. Especially at night when you're getting ready for bed, just to smell it, come through your nostrils. It smells really great. It definitely is soothing. I would definitely purchase this again. And it does work as far as removing excess things that might be left on your skin after cleansing. Really great toner. I love it. I would definitely get it again. Also from Hello Body is the Cocoa Soft Night Face Lotion. Comes in a similar package. Also smells like coconut. I apply this after serum, or I applied it, I used to, after serum, and it was great. This does have alcohol in it. All of their products also are safe, natural, with organic ingredients. It's actually cetearyl alcohol. It's not like straight up isopropyl alcohol or anything like that. Not tested on animals, made in Germany. This moisturizer did a great job of hydrating my skin. However, I don't think I will purchase it again just because I've used other night lotions that are better than this one. It's still a great lotion though. It still hydrates my skin. I don't have any dry patches, which with some products I can. This one does hydrate. I just have others that I like better than this one. I wouldn't buy that one again. Forgot another makeup product. LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. This is in the shade Secret. All of these are amazing. This one just dried up a little prematurely, and that's why it's in my empties. It's not quite empty, but it's dried up, so I can't use it anymore. Got this from a local beauty supply store. With that being said, it's super affordable. These are great and hydrate on the lips when you have your lips exfoliated and a little amount of balm on your lips. Not too much to where they're greasy, but enough to where they're hydrated. They hold up really well. Eating, drinking, don't really require touch-ups. I would definitely buy this again. Next, I have the Dove. I promise we're almost done. I have 4 more. Dove Derma Series Dry Skin Relief Gentle Cleansing Face Wash. Great for severely dry, itchy skin. I don't really have itchy skin, but I do have severely dry skin. It is really great for dry skin. It's not really great for makeup removal. Like if you have a lot of makeup on your face. It's not really a deep cleansing. Just like it says, it's a gentle cleanser. So it's great for if you've already used another cleanser before this and you just want something to cleanse yet still hydrate. It's a really creamy based cleanser. It's not foaming or anything like that, lathering, doesn't do any of that. It's like a lotion based cleanser. I would buy it again because of the hydration aspect. It adds a little more hydration back into my skin after cleansing. However, I will not rely on this to be great in cleansing my face on its own. It requires something else to be used before. It is great. It is quite pricey for a drugstore product, but all Dove products in my experience are really great. It's non-irritating and soap-free. Doesn't have parabens in it either, so that's always great. I would get it again. Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. This is so great for exfoliation, and I love the walnut aspect of it. I just like things from nature to be used in skincare products. I've always liked that. It doesn't have a strong smell. It is very exfoliating. It worked really well to remove dry skin cells off my skin. I would definitely buy this again. I think I got this from Sephora as well. I used it a few times a week to exfoliate, so I used it every other night. Didn't use it any mornings. I only used it at night, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something like that, like every other day. I didn't use it every day because I don't like exfoliating every day with super dry skin. I also have the Pour Moi Hydrating Balancer. It comes in a container like this. This container is the worst. It worked great at first because you pump it and the product comes out the top, but eventually the pump stopped working and I had to end up opening it and then putting my cotton pad on top of here to get the product out. So the design of the package is not that great. It's a great concept because I loved how it came out the top, but when it stopped working, I kind of got annoyed with it. And I felt like I was wasting product by dumping the entire thing onto a cotton pad. So great formula. It worked really great on my skin. It works as a toner. So it's called a Hydrating Balancer. I used it before serum, before moisturizer. It was a thicker based toner. That's why I feel like I was wasting product by having to dump it out. And also I felt like I was wasting product because it didn't pump out like it should have. And I also feel like because of that formula, that's why it eventually stopped pumping out the top, because it was thicker, so it was harder for the packaging to get the product out. Because of that flaw, I would not buy this again. I feel like it's a really great formula. The packaging just needs to be changed, and if the packaging happens to change later down the line, I would definitely buy it again. Or if the formula changes, or is like thinner, I guess. Last product, Burt's Bees Micellar Makeup Removing Towelettes. 3-in-1, all skin types. I used every single one of these. I have used better makeup wipes, but these are still great. They have the micellar makeup removal thing, whatever you call it. It doesn't require you to like rinse or wash afterwards. I still do anyway because I like my skin, my face to be squeaky clean. I don't like anything left behind. With these and the type of makeup I wear heavier makeup, especially around my eyes. I had to use more than one. It didn't just all come off with one. That's something to consider. It comes with 30. So if you divide that by 2, you can get 15 days of usage out of this, which may annoy some, but most makeup wipes don't come in super big packs anyway, unless you buy them from like Costco or somewhere like that. Because I have used better face wipes, I would not buy them again. However, if I needed to remove makeup quickly, like while I'm filming a makeup video, if I screwed up or something, I need to quickly remove something before applying something else, these would come in handy because it wouldn't require me to get up and rinse. So actually I might buy them again to put at my makeup desk, but not to remove my makeup at the end of the day because of that, the fact that it doesn't take everything off. But yeah, I finally done my empties video. Hopefully that wasn't too long. I'm sorry, and let them pile up this time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live. Let me know if you've tried any of these, and let me know how you like them. And let me know if you're interested in trying any of these. And let me know how you like them if you do try them. Talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching.